India's first indigenously built semi-high-speed self-propelled Vande Bharat Express will be virtually inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on 3rd June at 11 a.m. Honorable Chief Minister of Goa Shri Pramod Sawant, Union Minister of Railways Shri Ashwini Vaishnav will be physically present on the occasion. The train will have a seating capacity of 550 with 8 coaches. Intermediate stoppages will be provided at 3 stations in Goa and 10 stations in the state of Maharashtra. The train will have modern facilities like those of onboard Wi-Fi infotainment, bio toilets, a mini modern pantry, emergency lighting, and emergency talkback unit for passengers. Vande Bharat will be covering a distance of around 586 kilometers in a time span of 8 hours, and this will be the fastest train presently running over Konkan Railway route. Vande Bharat will offer high comfort and convenience to all passengers travelling through the state of Goa as well as Maharashtra.